friends. It's been a while since the last episode. That's because I have work and also I had other stuff that I was working on, like the revamp. We're working on our own hub and stuff like that. So yeah, we're gonna continue where we left off with this shitty library here. I remember correctly last time we did the sliders, so now we're gonna do the toggle very quickly. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it above the slider function tab, toggle, options, same routine. I don't have to repeat myself. And for default properties, we're gonna have a title. What the fuck, my guy? Title. And we're gonna have a callback. Jesus, if I can spell, okay. Render. And we're gonna just take the toggle inactive, all this shit. Copy, paste. Place this with tab. Don't forget the slider table, and there we go. Now we're gonna change the slider title, which is right, not the slider, sorry, I mean the toggle. And we're gonna change the title to options.title. There you go. And now we're gonna do some of the logic. We're gonna have the hover, the mouse down, and we're gonna have a state. Alright. So I'm gonna copy the stuff for the button, like for the entering, so we can handle the clicks. In here we're gonna do that slider. Bro, why do I keep doing slider, bro? It's fucking toggle, what the fuck? Did I really make all of it fucking slider, bro? No way, bro, let me check. What the hell, bro? It's toggle. Slider. Make that shit toggle. Okay, there we go. Sorry about that, guys. It's very late and I'm very tired. Anyway. Down at the toggle, whoops, above the slider. Get that shit out of here. Okay. So, toggle 1D, what is... Okay, so we're gonna have to use the... like the check mark holder, which is... Actually, no, we're gonna use the main one. So 56. Let's change that right here. 56. 56. And we're gonna remove all of these like tweening effects because like they're different for the toggle. So once we hover, we're gonna keep this the same. Yeah, 56. And 56. Let me just create one. And see if it even like works, like the hovering. So we're gonna remove that and test. Okay, so as you can see, the hover isn't working. Everything else is though. Yeah, okay, so let's check on that. Okay. So I used the wrong thing. It's not this, it's the UI stroke. So 58 over here. So color is a property of UI stroke. I should know that by now. And then we have mouse down. So this is mouse down. So we're changing the background and the stroke. So this is going to be 58 again. Right, and here on the 1D, that's like the background color of the entire thing. That is 56. So let us try again. Okay, so as you can see, the hover effect is working. The click effect is working. Now it's not going back. That's because we haven't done that yet. So you see here, there's nothing, and we're gonna do it right now. So if we click off entirely, we just want to reset the thing. So we're just gonna copy the color over here. So 27 right there. Boom. And which one is this? 58 right there. All right. And if we are hovering, we want to take the hover state, which is basically just the default background and the highlighted stroke. So there you go. Now we want to do options.callback toggle.state, and then we're going to do toggle.state is not toggle.state. So we're toggling it, obviously. Now we're not going to do this in here. We're actually going to do it in a other function. So that's where we come into our methods. So function, make sure to put a comment. Function tog, fuck. Hey yo. The hell, boy. Oh my lord, bro. Function toggle, toggle, I guess. So we're gonna set the state right, and then we're gonna add a boolean here. Okay, and now we're gonna do, so if we call this without a boolean, which is gonna be here, right? We're just gonna be doing toggle without a parameter. We want to just make it the opposite of what it is, right? So we're just gonna do, if b is equal to nil, we're gonna set it to opposite. And if that's not the case, we're gonna set it to what b is, right? There we go. And then we have to handle all the styling for it, right? So before I do that, there is something wrong here. What the hell? Toggle. It is right there though, like Roblox tripping, bro. Alright, bro, what the hell? Oh, my bad. Okay, so we're supposed to do the methods before the logic. Sorry, guys. I haven't done this in a while. Up here. What the hell, bro? Methods. There we go. So yeah, we're just handling the state here, and then just to check if the error is gone. It is okay. So options.callback, we're also gonna take this and put it in here like that. So right here we're gonna change the style using tween service. So we're gonna do library tween. Now let's quickly check what we're gonna be tweening. So enable the library and let's see. So we have this thing. So it's the check mark holder. We're changing the background color. So toggle 5B is check mark holder. So 5B goal background color 3 is color 3 from RGB. And then we're also tweening the check mark image transparency, right? So the check mark is this thing right here. So 5E, we're just gonna copy that 5E, and we're gonna change the image transparency to 0. So this is the state for when it's on. So we're gonna do if toggle.state, then toggle on, else, and we wanna put it back to its original. So this is gonna be color background transparency 1. And the checkmark holder's color is going to be this right here. There we go. That should do it. So let's give it a try. We're going to make the callback to be a function that just prints the value. And the title is gonna be hello. And then also we're gonna make this button that we created before. We're just gonna take it and put it in the bottom and make it change the toggle to false. Okay. So let's test it out. Remove the library. Okay, so here we are. We're gonna press this. Boom. Press it. Boom. There you go. Now check the output console. So right now it's true, false, true, false. Set it to true. Ooh, what happened here? Attempt to index nil with toggle. I know why. Because we didn't return it in the end. Whoopsie. Right here we have to return toggle. There you go. So if we turn it on and then click this button, it turns off, and also the callback gets fired. So there you go. That's how you make toggles. It's pretty simple. And yeah. So this is a rather short video, guys, and don't worry, the next episode, which is episode 9, is going to be covering the dropdown, right? Because I want to segment everything into single videos so it's easier to follow. So yeah, it's going to be covering the dropdown. I just wanted to keep it for last because it's the most difficult one. And again, I'm really sorry for the delay. I had a lot to do. But yeah, I'm dropping the dropdown episode tomorrow. Definitely 100%. If I don't, I'm deleting the channel. Yeah, so I hope this was helpful, and goodbye.